In today's video, I'll show you how to manage inventory in Shopify. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Products tab in Shopify. If you've already added products, you'll see them listed here. Managing inventory is simple. Shopify automatically deducts inventory when a sale is made, but you'll need to add stock manually. Update the quantities and hit save. If you're adding a new product, you'll go through the usual steps: name, description, pricing, and images. When you get to inventory, make sure to check track quantity and enter how many units you have. If you receive frequent shipments, you can even allow sales when out of stock by checking the box here. For stores with a large inventory, you can go to the Inventory tab directly. This lets you update stock for multiple products at once. Perfect for bulk updates when new shipments arrive. Lastly, Shopify gives you a helpful low stock warning in yellow when your inventory is running low, so you can restock on time. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.